Hi everyone! Welcome to my Etsy SEO series. Today we're diving into keyword research with advanced techniques to help you not just show up in search results, but to stand out. Whether you're new to Etsy SEO or looking to level up your strategies, this video will give you a fresh perspective on keyword research using proven data-backed methods. First, let's talk about how Etsy's search algorithm actually works and what it's looking for. Etsy's algorithm focuses on two primary factors: relevance and engagement. This isn't unique to Etsy. Research shows that algorithms across e-commerce platforms like Amazon and Google prioritize these factors to ensure users find what they're searching for. On Etsy, keywords are critical for showing relevance. But Etsy doesn't just match words. It interprets user intent. That's why using the right keywords is only part of the picture. You also need to use keywords that truly align with buyer search intent. According to a study in the Journal of Interactive Marketing, listings that not only match user search terms but also see high engagement, clicks, favorites, and sales, rank higher in search results. So, we'll focus on keyword strategies that not only help you rank but also drive engagement. A great way to start is with Etsy's search bar. As you type, you'll see auto-suggestions. These suggestions are not random. They're based on actual buyer search data. By examining these terms, you're essentially seeing popular keywords in real time, which can guide you to keywords that shoppers are actively looking for. Research from the Journal of Consumer Research suggests that aligning keywords with familiar, user-generated search terms lowers the cognitive load, making it easier for users to recognize and choose listings. These terms don't just help you rank. They increase the chance that users will click on your listing. Next, let's look at semantic keywords, or related terms that Etsy's algorithm sees as contextually relevant to your primary keywords. For example, if your main keyword is boho earrings, semantic keywords might include festival jewelry, bohemian-style earrings, or handmade dangle earrings. These terms support your main keyword, helping Etsy's algorithm understand your product more fully. A study in the Journal of Data and Information Science shows that using semantic keywords improves the algorithm's understanding of a listing's context, boosting relevancy. By covering related terms in your tags and descriptions, you're creating a comprehensive web of keywords that reinforce your product's niche. Analyzing competitors is a crucial part of keyword research, but let's go a step further by looking for keyword gaps. These are keywords that top competitors aren't fully capitalizing on, leaving you an opportunity to rank without as much competition. According to electronic commerce research, identifying and filling these keyword gaps can capture niche audiences, allowing smaller or newer stores to compete with larger ones. For example, if competitors use broad keywords like boho earrings, but rarely include specific ones like eco-friendly boho earrings, there's a chance to reach a targeted audience that's less served. Now, let's focus on buyer intent keywords. Not all keywords are created equal. Some signal strong buying intent, while others indicate casual browsing. Keywords that include modifiers like buy, custom, or handmade tend to attract users who are further along in the buying process and ready to purchase. A study from the Journal of Marketing Research found that these high-intent keywords lead to significantly higher conversion rates. When you prioritize these terms, you're more likely to reach customers ready to buy, rather than those just browsing. Seasonal and trending keywords are essential for capturing short-term demand. Tools like Google Trends or eRank's Trend Tracker can show you how keywords fluctuate in popularity over time. By incorporating these keywords, you can drive more traffic during peak seasons. According to the Journal of Retailing and Consumer Services, adapting your keywords to match seasonal trends can increase traffic by as much as 30% during high-demand periods. Staying ahead of these trends can make your listings stand out when it matters most. Finally, let's talk about testing your keywords. Setting up A/B tests allows you to compare the performance of different keywords by creating two versions of a similar listing. By tracking engagement and conversion rates, you can see which keywords resonate most with your audience. Research in digital marketing optimization suggests that A/B testing small changes in keywords can significantly impact engagement and conversion. This allows you to refine your SEO strategy based on real user data rather than assumptions. To wrap up, We covered advanced keyword research strategies, from leveraging buyer intent to analyzing competitor keyword gaps. These techniques can help you create a robust Etsy SEO strategy that not only gets your listing seen, but encourages engagement and sales. If you're ready to go even deeper, my Etsy upcoming SEO course provides a complete roadmap, including in-depth keyword strategies, A/B testing templates, and tools for tracking seasonal trends. Whether you're new to Etsy or looking to refine your approach, this course has everything you need to master Etsy SEO. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more advanced Etsy tips.